Facing issues with WhatsApp notifications in your iPhone? It could be due to a notification setting, background app restrictions, or a software glitch. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not working on your iPhone. Before we get started, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Your airplane mode is turned on and off. Do not disturb mode is disabled. Now let's move on to the advanced fixes. Solution 1. Check notification settings. First, open up the Settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Notifications. Now tap Show Previews. Make sure to choose Always Here. Then go back, scroll down to the bottom. Tap WhatsApp. Now enable the Allow Notifications. If it is disabled, then sorry, you won't get any notification from WhatsApp. Next, make sure to enable Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banner Alerts. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on the WhatsApp notification settings. It will redirect you to the app notification settings. Make sure to enable all the settings except Clear Batch. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 3. Update your WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the below. Type WhatsApp. Now find the WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you see update option available there, then update the app. Hopefully your issue is fixed now. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Drop a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.